Welcome back to GFX Business. This video is brought to you by gfxbusiness.com. We have launched our new website on gfxbusiness.com. The website link is gfxbusiness.com and will be provided in the description down below. So check out this video, check out this website. It's a blogging website, and check what kind of things I have added. I upload videos. I upload articles. So I publish articles on this website related to online earning, business, tech, and blogging. So if you're interested, log in to gfxbusiness.com, and if you enjoy reading this article, give me a big thumbs up on this video.